I think it's a little intake pipe. You hear it goes like that. Yeah.
This guy can't keep his car off the tow truck, man. Can't keep it off the tow truck. I run out of content. Are y'all stupid?
What's up with it? Well, I mean,
By itself, had it cut off. Start back up. By itself. Oh man.
You guys breaking these cars on purpose for content?
Hell no. I heard it started popping weird first. And then all of a sudden, like when I was getting close to right here, this turn, it was, I'm like, ooh, I better
Did it
turn
ever do
over
that
here.
before?
No. Yeah.
So maybe whatever it's doing, it's getting worse? Maybe? So it's up right now, that's good.
Yeah.
I think it's a little intake pipe. You hear it goes like that. Yeah. Alright.
Okay, I got the tow truck coming.
Okay. I'll definitely tow it and take it apart, see what's going on.
that's you, buddy.
Thank you. I see you over there. McLaren, man. I think I'm gonna go ahead and give me a Toyota, man.
Yeah.
Why you laughing?
I'm not laughing. I was thinking about
You
something
laughed
else.
at me when I said I was gonna get a Toyota.
No, I was
It's
thinking
gonna be a
about something
V6, and it's gonna last 300,000 miles with all these problems, man. Y'all won. Y'all, hey, I'm gonna tear to about two. What's up with the guys? We're over here at my boy's shop, Rafi at R2 Racing. Make sure y'all come through if you have any problems with your supercars, hypercars, because I know everybody view it rich as hell, man. I'm trying to get on y'all level. I need a load from y'all, man. And I need y'all to tell me how to eat healthy, how to get money and all that, man, all right? I'm just saying. Anyway, we got to, you know, check engine light with this thing again. You know what I mean? This is like the least sixth time this car problematic.
Not here though.
So no, not here.
No, not here. He just brings it
I
here.
fix it.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. Rafi fix all the problems. So yeah, we over here go see what the code is. Time to upgrade in 2022, man. We tried our luck with the McLaren. It's beautiful. I love it, but just like past broads, they gotta go and they become a problem.
So
And they supposed to have put 100 on it, and I feel it.
yeah.
Yeah, that.
Turbos are easy to get power out of, man. Very easy. A naturally aspirated car, you gotta spend a ton of money to get 40 to 50 horsepower on it. You know what I mean? You gotta change the heads, the cams, you know what I mean? All that stuff just to get
So
power.
like a Lambo Performante.
That's a naturally aspirated car.
Exactly. That would
Right.
cost a lot of.
Yeah.
I
That
wouldn't even with it.
exhaust.
Yeah.
Make
I
a
drove.
sound,
Nah,
make that thing
have
sound
you
like
heard?
a phone call.
We test drove one over there at Eurocar. Oh, it was blowing this exhaust out the water.
Oh really? Stop. Was it
Oh,
stop?
stop. Well, I don't know. Let me take that back.
Okay.
Because you know, like how we resell our cars to it, it could have
Yeah,
been done.
it could be modified
Yeah,
exhaust.
well, because it was crazy, bro. I'm like, what the Just stop. Remember how we were when we got that Z01 that time? Miles was like, just stop.
Yeah.
The stick shift Z01.
I still don't believe it's stuck.
This guy can't keep his car off the tow truck, man. Can't keep it off the tow truck. How many times has it been on the tow truck now, man?
Just twice.
I beg the difference.
Yeah.
I think it's been on there a lot more than that, man. But yeah, he getting it, you know, fixed on up. As usual, he always getting his cars fixed up. Right, internet?
Yeah.
Right, comment section. Right, trolley trolls, my little puppets. They like, what's going on now? But yeah, he getting it fixed up. They got to ship it out to Ukraine or some Russia while the war going on to get his bumper redid. You stay with them cars, Ivy. About to hit this gym, man. And you know, Hyphy, I see a lot of people don't understand why we work out in designer, man. You know what I mean?
Okay.
A bot will never understand a bot maker. They don't understand that, Hyphy Whitey.
Yeah, no.
Y'all just bots, bro. Just a lot of people in the comments, I respect y'all for knowing you're a bot. I have a job for people like that. You know what I mean? People that know they here to serve. You know what I mean? I have a job for them. Hyphy, I'll get why you got 2 scoopers in here,
Throw
man?
out the big one.
God damn. It's Black History Month, boy. White
What's
people
that
better
mean?
stop tripping. Like Buck said. Yeah, but I'm taking a little pump. And we're going to go hit some chest, shoulders, tries. We just going to give y'all a little snippet, man. Until the algorithm, you know, start really showing my subscribers and followers, you know, the videos in the recommended. We just gonna give y'all little tits and tats, you know what I mean? And just know, all the bots out there, there's never nothing we don't come up with. We're never running out of content, man. Let me show you what we can do, man. Let me show them how you. Hey guys, so today I'll be doing arms, but we're gonna be doing it with some rocks today, all right?
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you guys, you want to hip thrust like this when you curl up, okay? Because that activates your rear delts
Okay.
and your lower latissimus dorsi.
Okay.
All right, as
Yeah.
well as working your bicep. And bicep means 2. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. See that content, man. Hey, ain't no never run out of content. We got to just walk in Jiffy Lube, get an oil change. You know what I could go to Jack in the Box, eat a taco, a mukbang, right? I could go to the gym, do some squats. You know, come on, run out of content. Are y'all stupid? I've been on YouTube 14 years, and my mind still got a lot of weird videos I want to do. They never run out of content.
So you're on the 4th set?
This 5th.
Oh, 5th set?
Yeah, 5th set, man. I don't want to show them too much workout. I want to give up my new secrets.
Okay.
So I just got to keep the workout stuff to a minimum.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I don't want to give them too much no more. I done gave them enough.
All right.
You know what I mean?
We'll just get like maybe 1 set per, you know, I'll give them maybe.
There we go. Music video style.
Yeah. I'll shoot like a music video too. Here we go. Oh yeah. Killing it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you got this. Good money, good money, good money.
Yeah. If you, I'm gonna get them on this 21 and older.
Oh Jesus.
21 to 65. You can't hit this. Just go ahead and hand your over to Kali Buckle, buddy. And I'll build a big fortress, big castle, and I have millions of women just run around up in there. If you can't hit this, you ain't a real man. Simple as that. Just messing around, having some fun, motivate y'all, inspire y'all. And let me just say this. This right here, if you've been working out over 10 years, you should be hitting this no problem, man. Still got it after the heart attack. Still got it after the heart attack. And the style I do it is how you supposed to do it. Don't do it like no noob or your fitness gym personal trainer. that only took an online course that say you're supposed to extend your elbows till they lock out. Bring it back down. I want Mr. California. Hypey Whitey.
Feeling strong as a South African crocodile.
Oh, they called you the albino rhino.
I'm the albino. Who said that? Who said that?
Online gaming.
Who said that? Oh, gaming?
Yeah.
The albino
rhino. That sounds good.
Rhino.
He kind of like it.
I kinda like it a little bit.
Oh, 3 wheels.
African albino rhino. I summoned you.
There it is. Let's go. Get that money.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Hypey boys. Let's go, hypey boy.
That's
That's good. Oh yeah, you
Still
hit
hit
that baby. Baby!
Kelly told me.
Ooh, well, let's see.
Here.
Right. Hold on, that's too tall. She ain't that tall, is she? Yeah, there you go. Good. There it is. Oh yeah. Y'all like this outfit? I know you do. It costs too much. I try to wear it as much as possible.
Can we see the shoes?
I just added the house. I made a hat with it.
Ooh, hold on. Let's see this.
Oh, yeah, these those mosquitoes, bro.
Yeah. The bottom of the shoes, though. Look at that.
Got the bear.
Teddy bear.
Like I'm kicking. Show them like I'm kicking.
Okay, come on. Let's get that leg up. Yeah. Ooh, look at that.
Mosquitoes, mosquitoes. They Italian. They cost a lot of money. This sweatsuit right here is about $1,000. That's all.
Okay, I see.
Hat right here was $300. You know, we already seen the video there where they tried to swindle me. $15 for the glasses and $35 for the diamonds, which I still got overcharged. But it's all right. They look good. They look good to dye your teeth. Good there. Good there. Designer at the gym, man. Yeah. You running out of content. Why you wear designer in the gym? Yeah. If I kill you, I'ma kill you. If I see you, I'ma knock you out. I'ma slap the shit out of you like a bitch. If I see you, Kali Muscle, I gotta do something stupid again for 2022.
Yeah. Something
I gotta do something stupid again.
Yeah.
Something ignorant again.
Yeah, that's right. That's what we're talking about.
Ooh, this smooth. Feel good right here. Hoist. Sound like Moist.
Yeah.
Her name Hoist. Damn, Hoist.
God damn.
Feeling good.
Ooh, that's a good right there.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna let my boy Hype get a little dab.
Oh,
Get a little dab of that Hype White.
he's like, get a dab.
Go,
Dab.
go on, get a little dab of that Hype White.
You want me to try this?
Oh
share
yeah.
your host with
Hoist,
me?
man. Hold on. We gotta show them that. They think I'm BSing. Look at that. What's her name up there, bro?
Moist, baby.
Hoist,
That's
baby.
moist,
I'm gonna
baby.
let you get a bar of that, bro.
All right, I appreciate
I'm gonna get a different angle than you.
I appreciate that, man.
See what Hyper White doing, boy.
Oh, what do we do? Oh, hold on, let me see this. Ooh, this hole is nice,
I
bro.
told you, she's smooth. You can actually scoot down, so. Yeah.
Ooh, this
Yeah.
hole is nice,
You
dog.
like her, man?
I love her.
All right, no, don't fall in love.
I'm sprung, dude.
No. See? That's why you can't do menage a trois with your friend. Ain't no pump. Here, I gotta summon after right up. Every rider in the entire animal kingdom, I summoned you.
Oh, good stuff. Good money. Oh yeah, good money.
Yeah. I give my respects and honor to the entire animal kingdom. When you do a lot of reps, you don't need a lot of exercises. Dips, I gotta do them probably every day. I need to get back comfortable doing my dips. Truthfully, I think the mental, you know what I mean? Like I don't, kind of scared of pushing myself to the back because of, you know, the health issue, whatever. But it ain't stopping us. Today it was my heaviest day yet. I'm trying to go to I'm not trying. I'm go to failure each set, and we see how much failure is each set.
All right.
Ish. Do my Bobby Smurf. See if you're a real man.
Okay, by y'all's standards.
That's right. Oh
I
yeah.
can slow it down and speed it up too.
That's it. Okay.
I can slow it down too. I got mind control on all you. I got mind control. I got Jedi mind tricks.
Ish. 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 What's your name, baby girl? M30? Yeah, M30. Let me scan her, see if she wanna go on the date or something. M30, you don't scan? She don't scan, man.
It's one of them older Androids.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, one of the older ones.
Oh, Samsung. Android.
Yeah.
Side laterals, you don't have to go that heavy. I've been saying this forever. I'm tired of teaching. I'm tired of inspiring.
Yeah.
I'm tired of motivating.
Oh.
You know what I mean? I'm tired of it, Hyper White. Why I focus on negative comments?
Yeah.
They fuel me. They fuel me, Hyper Whitey. The negativity, it just seeps into my body, and I turn into muscle and money and success. Oh yeah. I love it. Yeah, I love the negativity, bro. I come from a negative environment, so I get excited and skeet on myself off negativity.
Oh damn.
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting stronger, boy. He's getting light. Oh yeah. If you ain't got $10,000 bank account, don't you say nothing on this damn video, you hear me? Then we could be friends, you know what I mean? I can't have no broke friends. You know, I try to motivate my subscribers and fans and followers not to be broke. Yo, what's up with it, guys? So we just got our workout in, now we about to eat. And today I got apples, tuna, and quinoa. And it's a must that I start eating apples, because apples are the most nutritious fruit it is, next to blueberries. So I'm gonna start eating a lot of apples, a lot of blueberries. Tuna, of course, I need some fish at least 3-4 times a week. Quinoa supposed to be better than rice. So I'm just gonna mix these in and go in, man. Thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing us. Thank you for watching over us to and fro. We ask that you watch over our families, friends, business associates, and watch over the demonic people. Well, don't watch over them, change their mentality. We thank you so much and keep blessing us. Amen. Oh yeah, and I got the kombucha.
Oh,
you know my best friend, White Boy, so he put me up on this, man.
I thought Big Boy was your best friend.
That's my second best friend.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? There's levels.
Okay.
You know, whoever you with the most.
Yeah, that is true.
That's good white people stuff. And it's just a skip. You really don't like Big Boy, huh?
Oh yeah.
If they only knew. Hey, it's called having friends. If you're around me and Hyphy, if y'all ever win the raffle that I'm gonna do, you get around me and him, we talk to each other all day. Y'all ain't got no friends, bro.
That's right.
They ain't got no friends, bro. They just getting, I got compassion for them, Hyphy. Because he's suicidal.
Right.
And you just hate their life, so you know they go hate our life. But a lot of y'all, you hate yourself. So I can't expect you to like us.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.